Now, number 4. Find the value of, we also find the value of this mathematical expression, leaving your answer in base 2. Now, for this question, I'm going to use the second method. Solution. We are still going to apply board mass. Applying board mass. Bracket will come first. Now, what we are going to do, before we apply the board mass, we are going to convert each core numbers to base 10. What do I mean? I will convert 1, 1, 1 to base 10. I'm also going to convert 1, 1, 1, 1 to base 10. I will also need to convert 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 to base 10 also. So let's start with the first one. Converting 1, 1, 1 to base 10. This is in base 2. We are converting to base 10. We assign values 0, 1, 2. So this is going to be what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 2 plus, what will I have? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. So in this case, I will have simplifying. This is 1 times 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 1, that's 4. Plus, then, this is going to be 1 times 2, that's 2. Plus, what will I have here? This is 2 raised to the power 0, that is 1. 1 times 1, 1. So this will give us 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. We have 7 base 10 for 1, 1, 1 base 2. We have 7 base 10. Now I'm going to convert 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. So assigning values, I will have 0, 1, 2, 3. Now what will I have? Converting. That is writing this in expanding form. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. Now, 2 raised to the power 3 is what? That's 8. 8 times 1, 8 plus 2 raised to the power 2, that's 4. 4 times 1, 4 plus 2 raised to the power 1, that is 2. 2 times 1, 2 plus 2 raised to the power 0, that is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. So this will give us what? 8 plus 4, 12. Then 12 plus 2, that is 14. 14 plus 1, that is what? 15. This is 15 base 10. Now, we need to convert 1, 0, 1, 0 to base 10 also. 1, 0, 1, 0. That is in base 2. Now we are converting to base 10. We assign values 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power what? 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power what? 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 0. So this is going to give us what? 2 raised to the power 3, 8. 8 times with 0. This will be 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. So we have 1 times 2, that's 2. Plus 8 times with 0, what do we have? This is 0. So this is going to give us 8 plus 0, that is 8, plus 2, that is 10. 10 plus 0, that is 10. So we have this to be 10 base 10. So let's go back to the main question. So we have that to be, the main question we have 1, 1, 1 base 2. Then we have times 1, 1, 1 base 2. Then we have minus 1010 base 2. Now, this is what you need to do. We are going to substitute the values. What do we have? For the first one, we have here, this is 7. 1 base 2 is 7 base 10 times, don't forget this is in base 10, times, what do we have? 1 this is in base 10 now, 15. Then minus, what do we have? 1010 base 2 is in base 10. In base 10 now, we have it to be what? 10. So this will give us 7 times the bracket, BODMAS first. BODMAS, for BODMAS, this with the bracket first. So bracket, 15 minus 10, what do we have? 5. 7 times 5, that is 35. So we have this to be 35 base 10. So we need to get the equivalent value for this in base 2, because we have to leave our answer in base 2. So now we need to convert 35 base 10 to base 2. Converting to base 2. So dividing by 2, what do we have? 35 divided by 2, we have 17, remainder what? 1. Because 17 times 2 will give us 34. So 35 minus 34, we have 1. So dividing by 2, what do we have here? This is 8, remainder what? 1. Dividing by 2, what are we having? 4, remainder what? 0. Now dividing by 2, we have 2, remainder what? 0. Dividing by 2, we have 1, remainder 0. Dividing by 2, what do we have? 0, remainder 1. The value we have here, remainder 1. So we take this from the bottom to the top. So it means that the final answer, which is in base 2, is going to be what? What's the first digit down? We have 1. So we have 0, 0, then followed by 1, and the last number, which is also 1. And this is in base 2. So the answer to this problem is what? 100011 base 2. That is the solution